do I just sit there?
Yep, just hang tight for right now, okay? Because I still have your ID, your information. Okay, but you're not free to go yet. Okay. All right.
On April 15th, 2025, a Florida Beach Patrol officer approached subjects consuming alcohol on a public beach, initiating what would become a felony arrest for fraudulent identification.
Hello. Hey, there's no alcohol out on the beach.
What can we talk about?
At one of the nearest trash cans. You guys have your IDs with you?
Yeah. I don't think that's my ID. Yeah. How?
You guys at least 21?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll find a picture of it.
Thank you. Are you still in California?
Huh?
Are you still in California? Okay. And you're still in South Carolina?
Yeah.
Okay. Address information correct on your driver's license?
I used to live there for college, but I'm here now.
You're here now?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your current address? House or apartment?
House.
Okay.
Huh?
This address, is it still your address?
No, I'm in LA.
Okay. What's your current address?
Go visiting me. Yeah.
Is the address on your driver's license still accurate, is what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. It is.
If it's Emerald Street, then I have a different address. Because I moved. My current address is...
Okay. Okay. All right. Give me just a minute, okay?
Yeah.
Call 16 on tack. Alpha 33 on tack. Ocean 13.
Driver license
Yeah, I'm
not
pretty sure
valid.
she gave me a fake ID. Let's try it by name real quick. But I'm pretty sure it's not going to come back.
Okay, out of California or the South Carolina?
I'm sorry, South Carolina.
Alright, let's try the South Carolina. Go ahead.
Last name, Papa Echo Charlie. Uniform, November Echo Sierra. First name, India Sierra Alpha. Bravo Echo Lima Lima Alpha. Middle is M Mike. 210 of 01. White female.
Negative, no record found.
Aye, copy. Okay. All right. Stand up for me. Stand up. Stand up. Bring your back. Do not resist me or you're going to go to the ground. Do not pull away from me. Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to go to the ground. I don't want to hurt you. Put your hands behind
No,
your
like,
back.
I get it, but
Okay.
can you just explain
You've
it?
provided me with a fake ID. Put your hands
My
behind,
friend's ID.
put your hands behind your back.
It was just because.
We'll get into it in a minute.
Relatively explained.
Put your hands behind your back. I'm not going to tell you again. If you do not do what I tell you to do, you're going to go to the ground. You're going to catch a resisting charge. Relax your hands. Put your hands together like you're praying.
Where's fotografía? Has hecho fotografía. Fotografía, сделай. Ну, как будто бы.
Нет.
Ну, как будто бы ты даже не
Это не
смотришь.
шутки.
А
Это серьезно,
фотография?
это не шутки.
Дай,
What else should 15 something?
я понимаю, на фото.
I have one secured.
Can I pack all my stuff?
One secured. Okay. We're going to go over here to my truck and we're going to figure out who you really are, okay?
I'm sorry, what do I just sit there?
Yep, just hang tight for right now, okay? Because I still have your ID, your information. Okay, but you're not free to go yet. Okay. All right, let's start again, okay?
That was my friend's ID. I was like, oh,
That's like a 80-year-old lady. Okay?
That's not an 80-year-old lady.
I have her picture pulled up. The driver's license number that's on that. It's a fake ID.
She's like 24.
Okay, well, your friend has a terrible fake ID. Because when I run the number, I get the real person's picture back, and it's not that.
Okay.
Okay? It's like a 70-something-year-old lady. So whoever made y'all's fake ID did a shitty job.
Okay.
He could have at least picked somebody young.
I don't think that was even a fake ID.
Oh, it's fake. I promise you it's
Really?
fake.
Oh. I didn't know.
Well, you did know because it's not yours.
Well, I know that it wasn't mine. That's the picture, no?
That's that lady's... When I run that driver's license number, that's what comes up.
CDL by number.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Not you.
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay, so you have now provided me with a fake ID. So, what is your last name?
Is this necessary?
It is necessary.
Can you just take the ID and let me...
I can take you to jail right now.
For what?
Well, let's see.
For
For providing a
providing
false
a-
name,
Yeah.
for possession of a fake identification card, and alcohol on the beach.
Alcohol is not allowed.
It is not allowed on the beach. That's why I stopped out with you in the
The
first
person
place.
that lives here told me that alcohol was
They
allowed.
told you wrong. So what is your last name? What is your first name? What's your middle initial?
I don't have a
No.
middle name.
Okay. What is your date of birth? What year?
2007.
That's why you gave me a fake ID, because you're not 21. I'm not stupid. I work on the beach. I deal with this 10 times a day.
Okay,
It is
but
not my first day.
because it's like Daytona.
What state is your ID from? Is it Florida? Or is
No,
it
it's South Carolina.
South Carolina? Hold on, 15 seconds. All right, South Carolina by name. Let's try this time. How old are you?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm 18.
Last name. First name. Only female out of South Carolina.
How many further charges are there?
Well, right now, you're just at the ones that I talked to you about. So we'll see where this goes.
got?
Oh, she gave me a fake ID.
What did you do that for?
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
And when I run the DL number, it comes back to like a 70-year-old lady
I'm sorry.
with a picture.
I didn't know. It wasn't my fake. It was my friend's fake.
But you provided it to try to identify yourself with
How old
that.
are you? 18?
Can you stand by with her for a sec, Joey?
Yep.
Good.
Your subject came back negative Newark, found out of South Carolina.
Your last name is correct?
Yeah.
Your first name is...
Exactly. I didn't do anything.
Don't listen to him.
Okay, but they're right.
That'll get you in trouble.
Yeah.
Oh, I need my glasses. Where are you from?
I'm from California.
What are you doing here?
I'm gonna go to college here.
Huh?
I'm gonna go to college here.
What college?
Daytona State.
How did you move to California from
My
California?
sister lives here.
Yeah, is that your sister over there?
No,
God damn, Jake.
it's my friend.
Let me get my glasses.
Okay. Give me one sec.
Yeah. I'll fucking die out here.
Can I go talk to her real quick?
Well, let's talk to her in a second. What are you gonna study?
Radiology.
Okay.
And you have an ID or a driver's license in South Carolina?
No.
What state do you have an ID in?
This state.
In Florida.
Yes.
Is there anything else you're not telling us?
Huh?
Is there anything else you're not telling us?
No.
It's just so much easier when you're truthful.
Yeah, I understand.
Do you have any warrants?
What's a warrant?
Where they want to take you to jail?
I don't know what a
You don't know what a
warrant
warrant is? It's a piece of paper that says you have to go to jail by the order of the court. Okay.
And she's valid, sir.
What part of South Carolina? Well, let me just get my...
Yep. All right. I got some good news. I got some bad news. Okay. The good news is I am not going to charge you with providing me with a false name. Okay. The bad news is you have a fake ID. Okay, and it is unlawful to have a fake ID. Okay, and it's unlawful to provide a fake ID to law enforcement. Okay.
Yeah.
Certain things I have discretion on, right? Meaning I can write you a ticket, I can take you to jail, whatever. Certain things I have discretion on, certain things I don't have discretion on.
Yeah.
Okay. The fake ID part, you're going to be taking a ride today. Okay. So you are under arrest. Okay. You want her to have your belongings? Hold on to them for you?
Yeah.
Do you have any shorts that she can put
I
on?
was just
for
gonna
you?
say, do you have some pants she can put on? Okay. I'm just gonna hold on to you because you can't. If you trip and fall, you can't brace yourself.
Can you give me my shorts? Yeah.
You want to bring out the COV for her?
Yeah, she held it.
Under 21.
Okay.
19, I believe.
Yeah, with state statute.
58.
Yeah. 288.
566 on the statute.
Yeah. Hey.
Can you put them on? Yeah, I will. Give me a second. Yeah, they kind of. Bro. Yeah, I'm sorry.
She said, bro.
They're gonna touch your ass. Yeah. I got no top.
I'm more crushed today without tripping an ant.
You got a shirt? You want a t-shirt that she can just hold on? She can put it on when she gets out there.
Shirt.
Okay, that's all right. You're good. They'll give you one.
I can just.
Where's your ID at?
Where's your idea? All right, come over here. I'm gonna have you sit in the truck for a second, and we'll get the rest going.
Can I put my shoes on?
Yeah, we'll bring them with us. There you go. All right, watch your knee, okay?
This is my old address menu. I just.
With 1 Ocean, 15 seconds. All right, come on and talk to her while he fixes up. All right, she wants to talk to you before we go.
What's so funny? Okay,
Ой, what is so funny with you? Что ты смеялась на улице? Я это вижу.
See,
потому что он заметил, что у меня пальцы на
this is
ноге.
no fair. I can't understand this.
Saying, what's so funny? Shit, what's so funny with you? And I'm saying, the toes, whatever. So what's gonna happen is,
Whatever.
what's gonna happen is,
What?
the poop pillow.
Yeah,
Okay,
he's a friendly poop.
shit like that. So what's gonna happen is that I called Aicha, I called your mom. You're gonna be taken to jail, but you're not.
Что ты им звонила? Да, блядь,
Что мне
кто
делать?
просил?
Что мне делать?
Никому не говорите, вот и все.
Никому не говорить?
Но у тебя рот, как будто бы ты срешь изо рта. Мне это так надоело про тебя.
I don't want to talk to her anymore.
Pissed her off.
Yeah, cause she fucking...
What's she mad about? I don't know. No secrets. Secrets don't make friends. What's she mad about?
No, she fucking told everyone. Like, bruh, why does she feel the need to tell people?
I think she's trying to, like,
She could have just kept it between the two of us.
I think she's trying to help you out.
Okay, but she could have kept it between the two of us.
But her intentions were good. Alright?
I don't even know.
Alright, let's get the show on the road. Let's get you down there so you can get out, okay?
Is she gonna come?
She said she is.
She's gonna come on in the other car?
No, she's not coming in the other car. We're like Uber.
Well, I don't know. I've never been arrested before.
She's gonna have to drive out there and bond your ass
She's gonna
out.
have to drive?
Yes.
She doesn't have a car.
How'd you get here?
Uber?
I'll bond you out.
Sounds like
Don't be
she's.
mean to me.
You hear that?
She's gonna Uber?
Don't be
mean. She'll leave you in there.
Hey,
I'm
let's.
paying for your bond, bro.
Yeah, and if you're mean to her, she
Are you
can.
gonna Uber?
She can kick you because she doesn't care if she messed up her foot because she's getting it fixed anyways.
No, I'm getting picked up by Aicha, and then we're gonna come to you and bond you out. So,
What do you?
You don't really have much of a
I was just gonna say, how are you gonna tilt your head back? She's helping you out.
oh,
She could make you sit there till tomorrow.
what you said about me shitting out of my mouth?
Oh!
Oh
Oh!
my god, that was literally like 5 minutes ago.
I don't know Russian, but that's funny because I got a shit
That's
pillow
what
right
I
there.
said. She said I'm shitting out of my mouth. Because I was like, I told your sister.
I mean, in all fairness, she's looking at a shit pillow, so maybe that's the first thing that came to mind. All right, you ready? All right, you know where you're going?
I gave her the number and I gave her the number to the branch show.
My guy. All right, what did we learn today?
We learned
We are not allowed to drink.
you cannot drink at the beach in Florida,
Okay.
and that, well,
Or
I
anywhere in
already
the
knew
state
this,
of Florida.
but you cannot have a fake ID.
Ah, okay.
I don't,
What's the last thing we learned?
huh?
What's the last thing we learned?
You can't drink
Get out of
anywhere in the
trouble
state
or
of
you
Florida
will pay.
underage.
All right, that works. I always try to get 3. All right.
You can't drink underage in Florida.
All right.
I believe you.
All right.
All right.
Go bond her out. Good luck with the tow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Enjoy your time in Florida.
Thank you. If they don't kick me out of the house, then yeah.
Yeah, you didn't get in trouble.
Hey,
But I feel bad. She was with me.
you gotta tell me.
All right. Well.
All right.
Guys.
Hold on one second. We're working on what we're gonna do because they're having some problems in there. And it's gonna be a while, so we're just trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Okay,
And then it'll freeze this spot up and I get my van over here.
appreciate it. All right, we're gonna switch cars for a minute. Okay, you're gonna go in the van until they're done in there. They got some problems in there right now. They're trying to work through.
All right, I gotta ask you a couple questions. You seen the doctor in 24 hours? Have you seen the doctor in 24 hours? No. It's not a hard question. Do you have anything on you, on your person?
When I was in contact with her, she's basically in a G-string.
Okay.
Not really anywhere you can hide anything.
Do you have any other personal items with you?
Nope.
No cash, no phone, nothing?
Okay. I'm just getting away from the hot truck. I think there's so much heat. No, you're fine. I was just
I
standing
do
over
that
here.
in front of you because all of a sudden she said I have $400. Nope.
Just want your hand like the door.
Okay, I'll get the cuffs off.
You want to take off? Oh, you getting out of here?
Yeah.
Fine. These guys, I don't know what your policy is in the van with the jewelry, but
I'll leave it on.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't take it off. So.
You're not suicidal, right? Not what? You are suicidal?
No.
Are you pregnant?
No.
Those are all questions we're going to ask you, and I expect the same answers, okay?
Russian's your first language, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's.
No, but you speak your English.
No, she does, but
Watch your hand like the door.
sometimes it takes a second.
Okay,
When you ask her the question, yes.
No,
Because
this
I
is why
had the same
asked-
thing. No, I know.
No, I needed because all of a sudden she goes, "Oh, I'm pregnant."
No, I get it.
I need to see the doctor.
The initial contact was legally sound. Under local ordinance, alcohol consumption on public beaches is prohibited, giving the officer reasonable suspicion to investigate. Under Terry v. Ohio, officers may briefly detain individuals to investigate suspected violations. The request for identification during this lawful stop was constitutionally permissible. The database verification revealed critical information. The South Carolina license number returned a valid license, but belonging to a woman in her 70s, not the young adult who presented it. This discovery elevated the encounter from a municipal violation to probable cause for arrest under Florida Statute 322.212, possession of fraudulent identification. Florida treats fake ID possession as a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years imprisonment and $5,000 in fines. This is not a minor college prank under Florida law. The arrest commands were legally proper. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, officers may order individuals to comply with lawful commands during valid investigative stops that escalate to arrests. When the subject resisted, the officer provided multiple warnings before applying physical control. This progression through the force continuum demonstrates proper de-escalation technique. Under Graham v. Connor, use of force must be judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of action. The subject was actively resisting verbal commands, justifying physical control. The subject's admission that the ID belonged to her friend is legally significant. This statement establishes knowing possession of fraudulent identification, a required element for conviction. Many fraudulent IDs use real driver's license numbers from state databases, but alter photos and biographical information. When verified through official channels, the fraud becomes immediately apparent. The subject's claim of not knowing it was fake is contradicted by her admission it wasn't hers. Knowledge that an ID belongs to someone else negates any good faith defense. Florida Statute 322.32 makes providing false information to law enforcement a separate first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail. The officer's willingness to show database evidence demonstrates transparency. While suspects have no constitutional right to see evidence during arrest, this explanation reduces confusion and resistance. Identity verification becomes critical when false identification is provided. The justice system cannot function if defendants can conceal their true identities from law enforcement. The companion avoided charges by presenting valid identification and cooperating fully. This demonstrates how identical circumstances produce vastly different outcomes based on individual choices. Officer discretion played a significant role. The companion faced the same alcohol ordinance violation but received no citation, as the primary concern became the felony fake ID possession. For first-time offenders, Florida prosecutors often offer pretrial diversion programs requiring community service, fines, and educational classes, potentially resulting in charge dismissal. However, the arrest record and criminal charges will impact employment background checks, college enrollment, financial aid eligibility, and professional licensing opportunities. The officer receives a grade of B+. The contact was legally justified, database verification followed proper protocol, probable cause was clearly established, and force was proportional. Areas for improvement include explaining arrest reasons earlier during the physical confrontation, and waiting for backup before attempting to handcuff a potentially resistant subject. The subject receives a grade of D. The decision to use fraudulent identification transformed a minor ordinance violation into felony charges with long-term consequences. Initial resistance to lawful arrest created additional safety risks and potential charges. Had she presented valid identification showing legal drinking age, she likely would have received only a warning. The companion receives a grade of C. She avoided criminal charges through cooperation and presenting legitimate identification, but was present for the initial ordinance violation. This case illustrates that individual accountability produces individual consequences. Same situation, vastly different outcomes based on the choice between legitimate and fraudulent identification. Key lessons. First, fake ID possession in Florida is a third-degree felony, not a harmless violation. Maximum penalties include 5 years imprisonment. Second, local ordinance violations can trigger broader investigations. What begins as a minor citation becomes a felony arrest when false identification is presented. Third, database verification systems immediately expose fraudulent IDs. Real license numbers return real license holder information, making altered documents easily detectable. Fourth, initial cooperation and valid identification would have resulted in a warning or small fine. Resistance to lawful arrest creates additional charges and risks. Fifth, admissions made during arrest are legally significant. The statement that the ID belonged to a friend establishes knowing possession, a required element for conviction. Sixth, officer discretion determines final outcomes. Professional demeanor and eventual cooperation may influence charging decisions and plea negotiations. Seventh, criminal records impact future opportunities. Even with diversion programs, arrest records appear on background checks for employment, housing, and education. Eighth, force escalation follows resistance. Officers are trained to use minimum necessary force, but resistance justifies increased control measures under Graham versus Connor. Ninth, identity verification is not optional. Providing false identification to law enforcement is itself a separate criminal offense under Florida law. 10th, the distinction between misdemeanor and felony matters significantly. Fake ID possession is treated more seriously than underage alcohol possession. This encounter demonstrates the complete legal framework governing beach patrol enforcement, identification verification, arrest procedures, and use of force standards. The case provides clear examples of constitutional principles in action. Fourth Amendment detention based on reasonable suspicion. Escalation to arrest based on probable cause. It illustrates the practical application of Graham v. Connor's reasonableness standard when evaluating force used during resistance to lawful arrest. Most importantly, it shows how individual decisions create cascading legal consequences. The choice to use fraudulent identification transformed vacation into criminal proceedings. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.